Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about Goldman Sachs Summer Analyst Program, and I am going to discuss who is eligible for this program, what are the benefits, what are the stipend, and how you can apply for this vacancy. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's get started. But if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that I will get new vacancies for you guys so that you can apply and get new internships. So this program is a flagship internship program from Goldman Sachs. Okay, and it is available for 2028 graduates. If you are going to pass out in 2028, then this vacancy is for you. Okay, the duration of this program is 8 to 10 weeks, and this is a paid internship, and it is available in Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bengaluru. Okay, if I'm talking about, you may get PPO opportunities, which is pre-placement offers, and then you will work on live projects. So these are the things which are important. Plus your stipend will be 75,000 to 1 lakh. It's dependent on your education and how your interview is going. Okay, second thing, I have seen on ChatGPT as well as I have checked with Google, so few people has cracked around 1.5 lakhs stipend also. So it's totally depend on you. So as this is 2 months program, which is 8 to 10 week, so at the end of this program you can expect around 1.5 to 2 lakh as a stipend. But if you ask me, stipend is not a big thing. Big thing is the certificate. If you get the certificate, then that is most important thing, because Goldman Sachs is a reputed company. If you are getting that certificate, you will get much more higher package as compared to the stipend. You may get 20-30 lakhs per annum also if you have that certificate in your resume. Okay, and there are high chances you will get PPO, which is pre-placement offer, and in pre-placement offer I will going to explain you what is the salary and other stuff. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. If you are getting pass out in 2028, that means if you are completing your graduation or post graduation in 2028, then you can apply for this vacancy. I will highly encourage you, if you are in second year or third year, you should apply for this vacancy. Next is, either you are in bachelor's or master's, you can apply for this vacancy. There is no such a criteria. It should be minimum bachelor's, you should be in graduation program, and then you can apply for this vacancy. And all types of disciplines are eligible. You can be from BA, BCom, BSc or engineering. You can apply for this vacancy. Now few program benefits are mentioned there. Obviously stipend is between 75,000 to 1 lakh. This is not mentioned. This is add in ChatGPT and Google. And next they have mentioned is senior mentor expert you will get, then real business projects you will be working on, then global networking, because they have multiple offices in every country possible. Okay, then you will get PPO opportunity. We have talked about that. Okay, now next thing is career tracks. So I told you PPO offers you can get in investment banking. The next is investment management, engineering. Most people will apply for engineering, I know, because most of the people are doing engineering. So I will highly recommend you should apply for engineering jobs. Okay, then risk compliance and operations, and the packages I have mentioned here, what are the packages they are offering. Okay, next is, what is your division. Now as I told you, anyone can apply for this vacancies. So if you are from finance, you should apply for investment banking. If you are from engineering, you should go for engineering and quant. If you are from CA, FRM, LLB, then you should apply for risk and compliances. And if you are from BBA or BCom, then you can apply for operations. And these are the options available on the site. I will show you the screenshot, so according to that you can apply. And next, obviously I will tell you how to apply for this vacancy. Then selection process, it's very easy. First is resume screening. You should have good resume. If you don't have, just check link in the description. You can download free of cost and you can create your own resume. Second is aptitude test. Third is your coding and case study. And fifth is your technical interview. Okay, technical interview will depend where you are applying. Okay, next week I did little bit research and I got these numbers. 90 to 120 minutes will be your aptitude test length. Then you will get 75 approx MCQs. Next, then they will be asking for numerical ability, then logical reasoning and reading comprehension. So these are few things which are very common in every job process. So this will be your test. Okay, now what is the application process, that I'm going to explain you, and obviously I'll show you how to do it. First is, you need to go to Goldman Sachs website, which is, I am going to provide a link into description. Go there, upload your resume, then you need to update your LinkedIn profile and put your LinkedIn profile link, because recruiters mostly will visit your LinkedIn profile. Then you need to update your education and skill, and lastly you need to submit your application. Okay, so this is the application process that you need to do. Now I'm going to tell you how you can apply for this vacancy on the screen. So this is the vacancy that we are going to apply. There will be two types of vacancy. One will be for operations and second will be this engineering. Operations is available for Mumbai and this is available for Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay, just click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, you need to enter your address. I will enter my address and click on I agree with the terms. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, so next is you need to upload your resume here. Plus I will recommend you to upload the cover letter also. Cover letter you will get on ChatGPT or you can search on Google. Then you can add your link. Okay, you can add your link. Link will be your LinkedIn link. Okay, then you just fill your information, which will be Mr. Then suffix, first name, middle name, last name, prefer first name, prefer last name. Then you add your email ID also, then your phone number, then contact details, country, address line, city, pin code, state, everything you need to add that. Next page will be this where you need to like mention this thing. Do you have other names? So I'll like click on no. Then you need to provide your secondary email. You provide your secondary email here and click on I consent. Then please pick your gender. Then you can like pick this or you can say prefer not to say. Then there are lots of things. Okay, these are very basics. Okay, do you consider yourself have a disability? So I'll pick in no. Then this is your ethnicity group that you need to pick. So you'll click on Asian. Obviously it's according to your preference. Then military experience, no military experience. Okay, then work authorization, yes I have work authorization in India. Do you require any change in your current visa sponsorship? No. Then do you require working visa? No. Citizenship? Yes. Then please select your citizenship group, so you can just select India. Then passport, so you can mention I don't have passport. Please indicate how you heard about Goldman Sachs, so you can search anything, maybe social media. Okay, then have you attended Goldman Sachs event prior? No. If you have, then mention yes. Then have you previously interned or work with Goldman Sachs? No. Are you current formal intern or employee of these things? So no. Check with your company if you are already somewhere, but I am assuming this is for college students, so obviously no. Then family relationship. Do you have family member which is working on Goldman Sachs or something that you can mention? This again no. There are lots of things like are you a family member currently perspective? No. Then again this all are no. Government or regulatory entity, do you have currently hold or any 5 years position with government regulatory or uh, intergovernmental organization? Okay, so it will be no. If you have done any like government job or something, that you can mention. Government or regulatory entity experience, if it is there you can mention. Family relationship to government regulatory entity, no again. Okay, then family relationship to government regulatory entity, again no. Okay, then click on next. Then you need to add your college things, so just click here and add your college important thing, degree, major, school, start date, end date, city, and everything you need to add. If you have CGPA you can click here. If you have percentage you can select here. Okay, then technical skills, so you can add technical skill whatever you are having. You have data analytics skills, you have Power BI, Tableau, if you are from finance, Excel, Tally, whatever it is there, just add that. Then language you add your whatever language you have, and then add full name and click on submit. Okay, after completion of this process you will get one email, and that will be just application submission email. In few days, if you are getting selected, you will get a letter from Goldman Sachs. And if you are not getting it, it's fine. Not everyone is getting selected. Even I have 5 to 6 years of experience now, but even if I am applying for 100 vacancies, I will get 2 3 10 max to max return even after having the experience, because not every company is looking for your profile, and if it is not suitable they'll not call you. And this will happen with majority people. Let's understand this thing. If you are applying for a vacancy, 500 more people are applying, and out of that only one person is getting selected. So there are 99.99% chances that you will not get selected, but you need to continue applying until and unless you get selected, and you don't have any other option. Okay, until and unless you get your job, you need to apply, you need to try. Okay, I hope this will help you, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.